14, 15. 15 after blue.
No getting up now, okay?
Doors are slow with your friends and you're ready.
Close the door.
Welcome aboard the Red Car Trolley. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children.
Now in Spanish.
Para su seguridad, por favor permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro del tranvía. Y cuiden a sus niños.
Nice and hard, you
Gracias.
gotta make sure you're on your bottom, just not on your knees. Thank you so much. If you have trouble seeing, you can be in the lap. 717.
All friends, welcome aboard the Red Car Trolley. My name is
Hollywood.
Conductor. Out front we have the talented Josh leading the way, making sure we stay on track, and because we don't really have a choice but to see our trolley track nonetheless. Friends, we welcome you aboard 717, which means we're all about comfort, safety, and speed. Heavy on the safety, not so heavy on the comfort, as you can already tell. We're sitting on these very brand-new comfortable chairs. Not so heavy on the speed either, at a walking speed of 4 miles per hour. Friends, moving along, we're going down the streets of Buena Vista, which is good view in Spanish. Be sure to check out the other mom and pop shops on the left and right hand side, mainly the right hand side, and not the left hand side is boarded up due to construction. Friends, on your right hand side, we have the celebrity side, we have Mickey Mouse, taking photos and signing autographs. Make sure that while this trolley is in motion, that we do have both feet down at all times, please, while this trolley is in motion. Now, friends, moving along, on your right hand side, we have Clarabelle's ice cream. Their ice cream is utterly delicious. Now, I know what you're wondering. Does he really milk that joke every chance he gets? The answer is yes, he does, but we're just going to go ahead and move along. Or should I say, Oh, come on, you guys. It's not that easy to do cheesy jokes necessarily, but we do the best we can with what we have. So friends, as we slowly make our way around the Conte Circle Fountain, which is a hub of California adventure, here you can walk to a marvelous place, Cars Land, Metacoaster, San Francisco, soaring over the world, but above all else, Starbucks. Keep carrying on, coming around the Conte Circle Fountain.
Now clear.
As we leave there, we are headed to dun, 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 Hollywood. Be sure to print out your headshots, practice on your autographs, because at any given moment you can be discovered here in Hollywood.
We are sitting back
All workers can go on it and then
Owners get a move.
Copy that.
Sure. I think it's not. I think they're just making
Hi friends, be sure to print out your headshots, practice on your autographs, because at any given moment you can be discovered here in Hollywood. Now just up ahead we've expedited some good old-fashioned LA traffic just to make it seem more realistic. Almost true to self, but instead of cars, it is people.
See outside.
Now on your right-hand side, we have Disney Junior, where you can dance with your favorite Disney characters while also enjoying a nice air-conditioned room. Did you know at this very same location, they had a live puppet show there at the Big Blue House at this very same location, if anybody remembers those days. Self-awareness is key, you guys, when walking around the trolley, which is why we have the fastest brakes here in California Adventure. My friends, we are now approaching our next stop, which is right in front of Animation Academy. We ask that you please remain seated until this trolley comes to a full complete stop. So just make sure that we do have our feet there. So we have one more stop just around the corner. So heads up, you guys, if you're in line, when they're not able to
717 got us.
off first. So we join that line because we can only guarantee one way. So in the meantime, keep your fingers crossed that there's no one waiting. We'll have this now.
Forgot to tell some people we're reload around the corner.
Yeah. Just heads up, you guys. We only drop off here. But if you guys want to get on, you literally just walk around the corner. That's going to be our next stop. Guaranteed one-way trips.
Good, some runners. They're excited.
Yours as well.
Hey, it's Nightwing. Come on, doors.
No need for it.
Copy that. Closing up. 717 departing Hollywood for sunset.
They're sitting on me.
All right, friends, we are now headed off into the sunset towards the east. Now I know that it doesn't really make a lot of sense. Don't forget, we are in Hollywood where we can't use a trick called forced perspective. Something that seems real that actually isn't.
When I was little, I
Here's
thought
an
that was
indicator to show that it is not real.
almost
Look ahead, think about the question. When there's a live stone you've seen in LA Street. But just a reminder, make sure that we are sitting down facing forward while our feet are off of the seats, please. Parents, we can make sure our children are facing forward with their feet off of the seats, please.
Then I realized it was a big house. Do you guys even feel that? No, it's
Please remain seated till this trolley comes to a full and complete stop.
Guys, we can make sure that he's sitting all the way down.
That means all feet forward. Thank you, guys. All right, last stop, friends.
We're gonna have you guys line up, single file line.
Okay.
Watch your step, guys. We do have a little bit of a line, so you are welcome to join the back of the line if you'd like to try to rejoin the trolley. We can hold 20, so we got a good chance. Next trolley, too, is only here in about 10 minutes, so. Thanks, friends. Watch your step. Watch your step. Hi guys, I know you're a stranger to the trolley.
Yeah, why not? Might as well go back on.
Guess whose birthday it is Tuesday? It's Indy's birthday. Indy's birthday! She's coming to the
Watch your
park.
step, friends. Welcome back.
Tuesday.
Yep. Are you working?
Yes. At Luigi's.
Luigi's?
At Luigi's.
I'll come find you.
Okay. Maybe or maybe not. I'll have some ice cream for you.
Oh, come on, let's not do that to you. You're just over the last time.
The Red
Now
Car
I come up
Trolley.
with it.
For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children.
Now in Spanish.
Para su seguridad, por favor permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro del tranvía y cuiden a sus niños. Gracias.
Now in Klingon. Just kidding.
Just headbutt everybody on
That's a steep learning curve. Friends, welcome aboard the Red Car Trolley. My name is Jeremy. I'll be your conductor. And up front, we have the talented, the amazing, the astonishing, the best dressed, and funny Josh. Let's give it up for Josh, you guys. Thank you. He needs all that motivation, that way he doesn't derail the situation. Now as we move on to our next destination, we are going down the streets of Hollywood. Now before we go all the way through, we have our sister trolley 623 that's going to be stopping in Hollywood. That way we can safely pass them by, being that this is our bypass, meaning that we only have one track. So to play it safe, we'll wait for them to stop, that way we can go. Because you know we're all about comfort, safety, and speed. Heavy on the safety, not so heavy on the comfort. You can already tell by sitting on these very brown and uncomfortable chairs. Not so heavy on the speed either, or walking speed, 4 miles per hour. Unfortunately, that's not how fast we're going. We're going about maybe 1 mile per hour, maybe even slower than that.
Make sure we are sitting down.
All right, now that 623 is stopped, we can carry on. As we safely pass it by. Now, if you're trying to figure out what's the difference between 623 and 717, subtle differences like our color pattern from the inside and out, and also our number, and also the fact that we're better than them, being that we are 717, spread the word. But the significance of that number, 717 and 623, 717 is a part of the original.
It was a slow day across the road.
Yeah, and earlier too.
717 is a part of the original
717 copies.
date that Disneyland first opened, which was 7/17/1955. And 623 is a part of the original 600 series. And then the number 23 attached to that is a year that Walt Disney first came to California, which is in 1923. The friends were crossing that threshold, leaving Hollywood, and headed to Cartier Circle. which is the hub of California Adventure. From here, you can walk to a marvelous place, Cars Land, Coaster, San Francisco, soaring over the world, but above all else, Starbucks.
I'll see you guys over there then.
Friends, Carthay Circle always puts me in the mood to sing a song. You guys are more than welcome to sing along. Don't be shy. Here we go. We are coming around the fountain. Here we come. We are coming around the fountain. Here we come. We are coming around the fountain. We are coming around the fountain. We are coming around the fountain. Here we come. It's okay, you guys will sing next time. Don't worry about it. But friends, moving along, up ahead, we have our mom and pop shop, or coffee shop. You may have heard of it. It's called Starbucks. So around here we call it Fiddler, Piper, and Practical Cafe. You may not recognize the names, but I bet you recognize the characters, because those are the names of the three little pigs, Fiddler, Piper, and Practical. And right next door we have Clarabelle's Ice Cream, where their ice cream is utterly delicious. My friends, while this trolley is in motion, make sure we are sitting back all the way, with our feet down at all times, please. Make sure our children are sitting back all the way.
Parents, make sure our children are sitting all the way back, please.
Motors are going to move.
Copy that.
Now on your left-hand side, we have trolley treats, where they have classic candy for your enjoyment. No, I'm not biased because it has the word trolley in it, just because I don't like candy that much. But if you're not into sweets, we do have healthy choices up ahead at Mortimer's Market. We have bananas, apples, cuties, mandarin. No, I'm not talking about myself or the language. We're still just talking about fruit. My friends, we're now approaching our last stop in this direction. We ask that you please remain seated until this trolley comes to a full and complete stop. The indicator when it is safe to stand up and exit out, because when the lights are on and doors are open.
Watch your step, you guys. Watch
We
your
are
step.
tapping out.
Thank you very much.
Watch your step. If not, watch your language.
Just sit in. Just. Bring out.
Yeah, it's
And I'll try to fix it.
So that house was featured in lots of we had this house on the show.